everyone, it's me Payal and thank you so much for watching me. If you are watching me for the first time, then I make videos related art, craft, DIY and decoration. If you are into it, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a shaker mini album. It's very easy to make it and it looks so gorgeous. So yeah, keep watching. So today I'm going to use Dress My Craft Magnolia's paper collection and I have 6x6 each paper and I'm going to score it. So for the scoring board I'm going to use Dress My Craft scoreboard and I'm making an envelope. So for that I'm using this triangle tool and I'm going to set this triangle tool like this. You can find all the measurement in a side. So I want 3x3 envelope. So for that I'm going to score it like this, and so in this way I can make a 3x3 envelope. After that I'm going to cut all these extra corners. So you can see there is some extra thing here, the triangle part. So I'm going to cut that triangle part first. So after that I'm going to use this corner punch which I bought it from the Michaels and the brand called Fisker, and I'm going to punch it like this. If you want to buy the same material, then just check the description box. I'm going to put all the link in the description box so you can buy easily. And after that I'm folding the paper with the help of this scoring tool. So after that I'm going to use this sticky glue which I bought it from the Michaels, and I'm making envelope as you can see in the video. Same way I made 5 more envelope, and after that I'm going to stick those envelopes together to make a pages of my scrapbook. So for the decoration I'm going to make shaker elements. So for that I'm using Dress My Craft circle punch. One is 1.5 inch punch and one is a 2 inch punch, and I'm going to use this negative space to make a shaker element. And then I am using this clear transparent OTP sheet and I'm going to stick this sheet on the back side of this negative space of my punch. So here I already sticked negative spaces from the same punch together to give some thickness. You can see it's pretty thick, so it's gonna easily hold my sequences. So now I'm just arranging all the elements to make a shaker element. After that I'm going to use Dress My Craft flower pearls and a micro mini beads. I'm also using this Dress My Craft sequence and I'm going to put everything inside this negative space. So in the last I'm going to stick this OTP plastic sheet on the top of this sequence base, and this is the easiest way to make your own shaker element. You can also create beautiful shaker element with the help of this circle punch. So it's time for the decoration. So first of all I'm going to stick this shaker element in the front of this mini album. So after that I'm going to use Rest My Craft Magnolia's motif sheet, and I'm just doing fussy cut some of elements to use in my project. If you want to buy the same material, then just check the description box. I'm going to put all the link in the description box. So now I'm decorating my mini album with the help of all these fussy cuts and some elements from the same paper collection. I'm going to stick all that together with the help of tacky glue. So in this way I'm going to decorate my scrapbook, my mini album. So in this way my mini shaker album is ready. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, then make sure you hit the like button, and if you have any doubt regarding any of these things, then just comment below. I will help you for that thing. So that's all about today's video. I hope you like it, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't it already. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.